First of all, I would like to greet ang mahal kong anak, Yana, for her 18th birthday. We love you very much. Also, ako nagpapasalamat to all the guests, friends, and members of the family for joining us in this celebration. Welcome, damo nga salamat. I would like also to take this opportunity kan Paddy Felix, Madi Helen, for their continuous love and support to Yana over these years. Damo nga salamat from the bottom of my heart. To Herninang Bigbig, Auntie Nelly, Janet, Tamtam, damo liwat nga salamat. Mga aunties, kanan nga. To yan ha. Yan ha, dili. Pamating ini nga wala pa man dili. Tuyana, now that you are 18 years old, I want you to be responsible and independent. Lead a humble and meaningful life. Stay safe and healthy always. Above all, enjoy your life and don't forget those people who have done best in your life. Damo nga salamat.
Arayga, kalipayan may. Maupay nga kalap pagwawarayan ko lang. Maupay nga kalap ha atin nga tanan, nagpapasalamat kami kamag-asawa nga tanan ngayon suporta nga tanan ngayon gugma para hanaamon na sa nga prinsesa itamon kinabuhi. Salamat ha iyo nga tanan. Orog labi na itaiya mga ninang nga gisisinaw galahim barkada diri na pipikon bisagin pipinasawayan. Salamat tayo mga madi, padi, mga kapatiran, mga kasangkayan, mga pag-umankon, mga classmates ni Yana. Salamat tayo mga tanan. Ngan Yana, bisa kon 18 years old ka na, siring panim legal age ka na, still you are a baby para amin. Nga dahil itong kalagas, baby kalagihap naman. Stay healthy, be humble, maging batang kalapirmi nga bata. Salamat, enjoy na lang kita nga tanan. Salamat, kanda pa di ngay madiheleng, hiningap lugar nga igin paharam aman. Kunding kita yan na nakakapag-enjoy. Nga salamat gyap. Noon nga magkamayada kita maupay nga pagkaharampang bisa kun. So galahit nga handa. Welcome ngayong tanan, enjoy na lang kita. Thank you.
Grown up as a young lady, having a good heart, character, and ambition. Join us, we celebrate this wonderful girl coming of age. Let us all celebrate as our little girl become a full-blown lady today, as she turned 18. Ladies and gentlemen, in July, not so far away, there was one little girl with the beauty of an angel, born under the sign of Gemini.
Ano ba eh?
This little girl
Ina yun?
is the only child more of alluring than before. Indeed, she has all grown up and what sight she has become. Ladies and gentlemen, may we introduce to you the ecstasy. A round of applause, please. Please stand up. Stand up, please. Performance this afternoon, their traditional waltz. A round of applause, please. Palakpak naman dyan.
Ay, kapag dati.
A round of applause, please. A round of applause. Forget the father, for he is always the first or last dance. To begin with, let us call the chant to gather on the side of the smooth flow of the program. As your name is called, it is your chance to offer a flower and to dance with a devoted. So, the first dance goes to her loving father, Mr. Antonio Escosi. May comment Mr. Romeo Chicano. And now may comment Mr. Crisval Afable. May comment Mr. Archino Bayo. May comment Mr. Archibald Ayo. May comment Mr. Ramses Bariton. And now may comment Jeff Mr. Afable. May comment Mr. Ryan Adao.
Yan na!
Fortiza. May go ahead, Mr. Avilo Aquino. And now may go ahead, Mr. Vincent Espeso. And now may go ahead, Mr. Kevin Polante. May go ahead, Mr. Felix Esteso. Gentlemen, a round of applause, please. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have our big surprise for Florian J. Afable Estusi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
supernatural guidance. It symbolizes security as it may eliminate circumstances. It may also signify agent significant people in our celebrant's life who serve as her guide as she grows up. These are also the people who care for her and love her unconditionally. As you hear your name, please be on stage, light your candle, and give a brief birthday wish for Florian Jane. Let us start with Miss Almera Luis Afable.
Happy birthday, Yana. Stay healthy. Sana matupad mo yung tayong mga pangarap. Enjoy your day.
Miss Catherine Afable.
Hey, gorgeous. Happy birthday. And I have 3 wishes for you. First is don't give up achieving your goals. Just keep fighting. And second is I wish the courage to grab all the opportunities in your life. Third is I wish the perseverance to live in your life to the fullest. Happy 18th birthday.
Miss Yana Rica Giselle.
Happy birthday, and wish ko lang sana maging positive ka lahat mo life and always look forward for positivity.
Miss Rofa May Joy Afable.
Hi, Mimi. Happy 18th birthday. Wish ko lahat is
Ma'am!
Ate sir, always for you. Wish ko paghirot permi, pag iskilin nga upay, marap ka na usa nga lang nga anak. Tapos kapag ano na nagting goals, buligid mama and papa. Di lang para hay. Say, I love you.
Miss Ashley Jane Afable.
Happy birthday, Ariana. Stay safe until 11.
Zarina Afable.
Happy birthday, Ariana. Wish you all the best and good health.
Talia Rose Afable.
Happy birthday, Ariana.
Destiny Giselle. Zerlisa Adia.
Day, ano yung message ka ng parang hubog?
Happy 18th.
Hello. Happy 18th birthday, Yana. Wish ko ay good health para kay yung family. Gan sana, pag ko ito pag-eskwela para matupad niyo yung mga pangarap sa. Thank you.
April Jane Baldo.
Happy birthday, Ana. Wish ko ay magka-ingkis ka na dyan. Stay healthy ba? Yun lang.
Mahibang?
Chercel Liguarda. Miss Mary Joy Naves. Miss Maybelline Grace Lupinia.
Hi, Ana.
Maria Teresita Giselle.
Happy birthday, Yana. I wish you happiness, success, more love, good health, and more blessing on your special.
Maria Gisa Chirikin.
Hi, Yana. Pilikarity. Sana matupad ng lahat yung pangarap. Hari lang tayo may para nakasupport. Happy birthday.
Maria May Esclado.
Hi, Yana. Happy birthday. Stay humble and stay madalda. Thank you.
Miss Maricel Cadayo.
Wishing you a very happy birthday and many more to come. You're not getting older, you're just getting wiser. Happy birthday, beautiful.
Miss Jersa Reguarda.
Yeah. Hi, you're so pretty. So, by the way, happy 18th birthday, ate. So, stay healthy, stay kind, stay humble, and of course, stay pretty. And never stop dreaming, and always pray to God. You know, our chicas, and thank you for everything, ate. Love you.
Ismael Elia Rosado.
Hi everyone, and of course I'm Yana, who is celebrating one of the most important days in a woman's life. Happy birthday! Welcome to the world of legality. You're officially ready to take care of yourself, and it's time to take wise decisions from now on. But of course, still with the guidance of your parents. Thank you for making me one of your eating candles, and thank you for everything. Thank you 100 times nga, you know, those days. Yeah, wasted times. You have grown to be a promising young woman with hope, respect, and love in your heart, and I'm lucky to witness the changes that have been taking place and will take place in your life. I wish you all the harmony that life has to offer. I wish all the happiness and luck. I know you are a tough woman, so I am confident that as you face the new stage in your life, you can overcome every trial that comes your way. May all your dreams come true. Always remember that I am just one chat away if you needed help, and we are always here for you to support you. And of course, our Almighty God who is there to guide us. May you have all the fun you can get, and always be thankful for everything you have in the moment. Continue to share your love with your family and friends, and don't forget to smile. Lastly, always stay in the mood and be beautiful inside and out. Again, happy 18th birthday to you, B.
Thank you so much. Please, our score to blow candles. Okay, a round of applause. Thank you so much. Our 18 candles. So this time, for our 18 treasures.
Happy birthday, my dear Miss Yana. I know you are now an adult, but for me, as you're still my baby also. And I have here a gift for you from the ka na miss ka, pero I started it for you. See? Okay? And I wish you all the best in life. God bless you always and stay humble always.
May Cohen Miss Helen Espeso.
Hello, hagay. Yan, pikanghan ka bata, kinitakay ka, hasta nga, yan na, ginagawa ka na, nasubong ka na ha. Pikanghan to, magkaupad kita, magkauyas, diriak na titiguran, hindi ikaw takupad. Kay naligil akhain. Kay wara man yung kakauyas, pastilan. Iti mo makaharampang mga tigura. Itakla masisiringhain, asninang, unta, imo tagan, hin maupay, nga atensyon itin imo pag-aram. Matuman kunta iti mga pangarap, kay maaram at hirin na mamanghain papayada ala permihay mo. Ura-ura ka nirit kahigagmaon. Very supportive parents. Gagawin ang lahat. Matupad lang ang iyong mga pangarap. Sanglit, pagbuutan. Yana, diri ka na bata. Na-entra ka na hit adulthood. Goodbye teenage life. Yadi ka na hit adult. So, maaram ka na hitim maupay na pagbubuhaton na hit maraon. Hika na hit magdidesisyon para hitim kaluguringon. Pinangs. Ya, dila kami permi, hitim loyo, masuporta kung kaya namin suportahan para hitim mo mga ambisyon. Maaram pagdating panahon, matutupad nin hitim mo mga pangarap. So yan ang happy birthday, I love you, alams na. Basta alams na, pagbuutan la permi. Happy birthday.
May Cohen Mr. Veronica Afaubre. He's not yet around. Okay, may Cohen Miss Angelica Afaubre Ayo.
Hello beauty, happy birthday. Wish you all the best that life can offer. Receive this simple gift from Auntie Mana and me. Kahusay. Kinanglan mag-English ka, di ka magsugahaamon nga nagkakalalagas.
Yeah!
Happy birthday again.
May Cohen Miss Abital Afable. She's not yet around. So may Cohen Miss Milagros Cadayo.
Happy birthday, Yana. Wish you find peace and success. Happiness, fulfillment, and all of you. Bright and sweet and cheerful birthday. Happy birthday, Yana.
Miss Nimalia Rafada. Miss Rosie Afable.
birthday, Yana. Karaw ta ang buti ko nga paghigumahay. Kanan hotdog. Salamat.
Maria Lourdes Afable, Miss Amalia Rosaldo,
Happy birthday, ate. Ang sa inyo.
Miss Marisa Paddy,
Happy birthday, Yana! Himni nang tegang may nagiwan, supposed to be, ato kimya na ha, may bukog, kay may nanang importante hiliwat na din bubuhat dito. Pero kay mas importante kag gihapak, kay nalilipay pa na makyanahin kay gihusay kagad Yana. Happy birthday!
may Cohen Miss Savannah Duciel, may Cohen Miss Imelda Sidro,
Happy birthday, Yana. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti upang makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay.
Miss Donna J. Chicano, Miss Anan Afable, Mr. Bartolome Acosta Jr.,
Ay, mga yan.
kundi may ada ako sa nga pahinumdom, a glimpse of your life, and a reminder. Kunta, ini-akseptaron ng karawton nimo. Ano, kadigo? Yana, hatun tuig 2003, bulan Hunyo, Pitsanches. Usa nga babayi nga mahingkis, naglipay, nagrayha kay nanganakin bata nga babayi nga mahabis. Inday isto si ang ngaran ni iya mama, Tony isto si ang ngaran ni iya papa. Hiraga duha naglipay na, kay hinyap nga grasya inabot ma. YANNA in lilima nga litra. Yana ang ngaran nga hatak ha imo han mag-asawa. Bisan ang lagas nga imulula sita, nalilipay kay ikaw in matawataw. Hakada adlaw nga lakatan panahon, hiimo papa ug mama durugod ang pag adenigod parorwayon han imo hatag nga lipay nga puhon. Pag-abot hantak na han imo pag-eskwela, hira inagpakita ha imo hinpagsuporta. Durugod ang ira ha imo pagpaura, kay danay hi imo mama igin sususuhay pa. Imo mga hiyam iragod iginahatag, kay bisan baby brother o baby sister, ira igin mamalahatag. Pero kay uunanhon man, ikaw gudla sa Diyos, amo ha irahatag. Pagabutan panahon, ikaw ay nagdudumaraga na, kaupay pagkinitaan, kay ikaw ay naugday na. Kay bisan ang pagbulig han mes TNHS, tinugutan ka. Ugaring waray makadaog, pero para haira, ikaw ang nakadarahan korona. Diri mawawara itsugad ha imo, danay nagtitininuyaw. Salit hiinday, bisan ko nag-iisog, danay mag-inuraw. Kay imo papa ha imo naugop hintini upay, kung ikaw an iya anak nga babayi nga uray. Yana ang takna nga panahon nga inabot ha imo, ungod ka na nga daraga. Uyab ngan barkada ayaw anay unaha, lugod pag-eskwela, amo an huna-hunaa, imo kabubuwason ayaw paglangana. Again, happy birthday, Yana. Sana hinumduman ininimo hiya nga piyesta.
Wow, really amazing. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Leoncio Fabo Akusikogo. So this time, we're going to birthday blowing of candles. Okay, we have a surprise number from the Mojito Squad. A round of applause. Mga Mojito, punta na kayo dito.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Trivia, so everyone on how birthday cakes and candles came about as a tradition during birthdays. Some believe that tradition of birthdays candles began in ancient Greece. Putting candles in a cake was a special way to pay tribute to the Greek moon goddess, Artemis. They baked round cakes to symbolize the moon. Candles were added to represent the reflected moonlight. Today's tradition of making wishes before blowing out the birthday candles may have started with that belief. Enough all those did you know trivia, because at this part of the program, our lovely stunning Florian Jane will blow the candles on her birthday cake. And to complete the customary practice, let us all sing joyfully the song. I am very sure you everybody is familiar with the song, the Happy Birthday song. Everybody stand up, please. Stand up. Music, please.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Picture na lang. Mabait picture sa sila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, go, go. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, round of applause.
Yan naman to dulo. Okay na. Alang. Gato-gato bang haira nga to?